So today I will demonstrate how to deploy and interact with a smart contract using Remix IDE and MetaMask. So first we start by opening Remix IDE in the browser. Remix is an online tool that allows us to write, compile, and deploy smart contracts directly without installing anything. After that, we connect Remix to MetaMask. To do this, we go to the deploy and run transaction, and then in the environment section, we select a browser extension, and then we select Sepolia Testnet and MetaMask. And if the connection is successful, our wallet address will be displayed in Remix. Next, we create a new Solidity file and write our smart contract. In this case, we use simple contract called message, which allows us to store and retrieve a message on the blockchain. The contract has two main functions: set message to store data and get message to read the stored data. And the next step is compiling the contract. We open the Solidity compiler tab, select the appropriate compiler version, then click compile. Then we move to the deployment process. We go back to the deploy and run transaction and click the deploy button. At this moment, MetaMask will show a pop-up asking us to confirm the transaction. And once the transaction is confirmed, the contract will be deployed and to the Sepolia network. After that, we can see the deploy contract in the deploy contract section in Remix. Now we can interact with the contract. First, we use the set message function. We put a value, for example, Aulia Yasmin Praktikum 2, and we click the transact button. Again, MetaMask will show a confirmation pop-up and we approve the transaction. After the transaction is successful, we test the get message function. When we click it, the result will be displayed, showing the message we previously stored. This proves that the smart contract is working correctly. Next, we can check the transaction status in Remix. We can see the transaction is successful, usually marked with a green check mark. And finally, for verification, we can open Etherscan. There we can see full transaction details such as status, block number, and gas usage. This confirms that our transaction is recorded on the blockchain. So overall, this process shows how smart contract is deployed and executed using Remix and MetaMask, and how blockchain transaction can be verified transparently. Thank you very much for your attention.